Today we discuss how to manage Word documents in C#. Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on how to use IronWord. In this video we'll walk through the process of utilizing IronWord to manipulate Word documents with ease. So if you haven't done it yet, install IronWord so that you can follow along with this tutorial. But without further ado, let's open up the program.cs file and take a look at the pre-written code. So at the very top, you'll see two using statements, using IronWord and using Word.modules. Next, we initialize a new Word document object named doc. This represents our Word document. Then we set up a text run object called text run. Think of text run as a portion of the document that shares the same styling. So here we add the text, add text using IronWord to our text run. Now let's style our text. We create a new text style and assign it to our text run. We'll set the font to caveat, size to 40, color to Indian red, and we'll make the text bold. This will make our text visually impactful. With our text run ready, we initialize a paragraph object. A paragraph in IronWord acts as a container for your content, such as text or images. We add a styled text run to the paragraph. Then we include an image from our local storage using the paragraph.addImage method. And this path just points to the image that we want to include in our document. After constructing the paragraph with our text and image, we add this paragraph to the doc object. And to finish, we use the save as method to save the document to our desired location on our computer. All right, so everything's set up. Let's go ahead and run our project and check out the output. All right, project has been completed successfully. So let's open up the Word document and see how our Word library performed. So obviously the first thing that catches your eye is the add text using IronWord. So it's styled exactly how we wanted it to be. Caveat font, size 40, Indian red, bold. This style makes the text very visible and prominent and aesthetically pleasing. Following the text, you'll notice that the image that we added, and it seamlessly integrates into the document, positioned right after our styled text, exactly how we wanted it to be. All right, that wraps up our demonstration on creating and viewing a Word document using the IronWord library in C#. As you can see, IronWord makes it super straightforward and easy to create professional documents programmatically. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a little bit of love with some likes and subscribe if you want to see some more videos from us. And if you'd like to check out IronWord yourself, there's a link in the description below for a trial subscription. Go to the site, download, install, check it out for yourself.